In this exercise, you will learn about jail lighting circuit and its wiring process using PVC conduits. The circuit diagram for jail lighting circuit is shown. The layout diagram for jail lighting circuit is shown. From this wiring diagram, determine the number of cables required. Mark the layout on the wall. Fix the PVC conduit in the wall using saddles. Insert cables into the conduits. Fix the ceiling roses and PVC switch boxes in the wall as per the layout. Make the connections as per the wiring diagram. Close all the switch boxes and fix the lamps in the holders. Main switch M is of conventional type. The other switches used in the circuit are single pole double throw SPDT switches. When the warden switches on the main switch, all the lamps will glow. When the main is turned on, and even if the switches S1, S2, and S3 are in on or off position, the lamps will glow. When the main switch is in off position, the lamps are controlled by individual switches. In this exercise, you will learn about go-down lighting circuit and its wiring. The circuit diagram for go-down lighting circuit with 4 lamps is shown. The layout diagram for go-down lighting circuit is shown. Mark the circuit layout on the wall as per the layout diagram. Fix the metal pipe on the wall using saddles and wooden spacers. Insert the cable into the pipe by means of fishing wire. Fix the ceiling roses and metal switch boxes. Make the connections as per the circuit diagram. Close all the switch boxes and fix all the lamps on the lamp holders. Insert the earth wire through the saddles and draw it along the metal conduit. Connect this earth wire with the metal boxes. Switches S2, S3, and S4 are of single pole double throw type SPDT. When the inspection team goes nearer to the place under lamp L1, it switches on switch S1 to turn on the lamp the L1. When the inspection team moves away from lamp L1 position, it toggles the switch S2. This operation switches off the lamp L1 and switches on lamp L2. The sequence further continues. When the team gets back, it should toggle the switches in the reverse sequence S4, S3, S2, and S1 to turn off all the lamps. In this exercise, you will learn about corridor lighting circuit and its wiring. Another name for this switching arrangement is staircase switching. The circuit diagram for corridor lighting circuit is shown. The layout diagram for corridor lighting circuit is shown. From this wiring diagram, you can determine the number of cables required. Mark the layout on the wall. Fix the metal conduits on the wall using saddles and wooden spacers. Insert the cables into the conduits. Fix the ceiling roses and PVC switch boxes on the wall as per the layout. Make the connections as per the wiring diagram. Close all the switch boxes and fix the lamps on all holders. Insert the earth wire from the earth continuity conductor, ECC, through the saddles. Then connect this earth wire with all the metal boxes. In this corridor circuit, Each lamp is controlled by a set of switches. The lamp will not glow if both the switches in the set are in off or on position. If one switch is in off position and another switch is in on position, then the lamp will glow. In this exercise, you will learn about the concealed wiring of a residential building. The layout of the sample house is shown. Mark the position for electrical accessories and fixtures for each room on the layout. Shown are the loads proposed in the house. Living room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, kitchen, dining hall, bathroom 1, bathroom 2, bathroom 3. Calculate the total load on each room and segregate the loads equally on all three phases. The table shows a sample load distribution in a house. Draw the pipeline in the layout to determine the length of the pipe. Determine the sizes of the wire according to the load and permissible voltage drop for required length of the run. Cut the pipe as per layout. After completion of centering work, place the PVC conduit pipes in the centering platform as per the layout. Ensure that the pipes are raised using rubble spacers and placed at a height of at least 1 centimeter from the centering platform level. And tie the conduit pipes along with the centering rods at regular intervals. Fix the junction boxes and pipe bends wherever necessary. Before going to pour the concrete on the centering platform, verify that all the joints are tight. After finishing of concrete work, make chases for dropping pipes, switch boxes, and accessories in the wall by cutting grooves in the brick wall. And fix the pipes on the chase of the wall using U-hooks. Flush mount the switch boxes and junction boxes in the walls as per the layout. Fill the chase of the wall with the cement mix. Fix the main board with energy meter and ICTP switchbox. Fix the distribution board with the ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker, and MCB, miniature circuit breaker, for each circuit. The MCB should be in correct rating with respect to the loads. Draw the wires through the conduit by means of fish wire. Fix all the accessories. Give the connection as per the load distribution and layout. The three-phase changeover scheme can be optionally included if uninterrupted supply is felt necessary. Connect the body of energy meter, ICTP switch, and earth continuity conductor to the earth plate. Test the wiring before giving supply.